You can have perfect records, an experienced representative, and a legitimate case, and still damage your outcome in the first 5 minutes of an IRS meeting. In this video, I'll give you some exact language that builds trust and also some phrases that destroy it. I'm Andrew Bosserman. I'm an IRS defense attorney, a CPA, and a former IRS agent. Chapter 9 of my book, The IRS Survival Guide, takes the attitude principles from Chapter 8 in my book and turns them into specific, actionable communication strategies. So, just like any meeting with someone for the first time, the first minutes of an IRS interaction set the tone for everything that follows. Here's how to start strong. So if you're on a phone call or on a meeting, just simply open with simple courtesy, such as, "Thank you for explaining the process. I want to make sure we can resolve this efficiently for both of us." If you're meeting in your office, offer water or coffee. Treat the agent like a guest, like you would a potential client, not an invader. This sounds simple, but you'd be surprised how rarely it happens. Most taxpayers walk into audits either trembling or combative. Calm professional courtesy immediately distinguishes you. Here's some specific phrases from my book that can build rapport. So you can say things like, "I understand you're just doing your job, and I want to make this process efficient for both of us." Or say the agent raises an issue, say, "How can we resolve this issue together?" Note the "we" framing, more important than combative or argumentative language. You can say things like, "I appreciate your expertise in these matters," acknowledge their professional knowledge. "Could you help me understand why this documentation isn't sufficient?" That's useful if the agent pushes back on documentation. You want to ask clarifying questions so you really understand what the IRS agent is getting at rather than arguing. Also, you want to signal openness. So you can say things like, "If you need additional information, I'm happy to provide it." Shows you're open, you don't really have anything to hide. And critically, as with any communication, you want to mirror these words with your body language. So keep your arms uncrossed, eye contact, a calm demeanor. Both your words and nonverbal signals must align. So I'm giving you all these tips, but what's important to know is that you have the right to representation before the IRS. Most clients I represent never have to speak directly to the IRS, and that's by design. Having a tax attorney or CPA as your representative creates a buffer. It keeps you from saying the wrong thing, but more importantly, ensures all communications are strategic. But if you do need to appear in person or speak with an agent, your job is different from your representative's job. Your representative handles the technical questions. Your job is oftentimes more so the human element, showing that you're credible, cooperative, and not someone worth spending months auditing or someone that's easy to dislike. If you're anxious about a meeting, ask your representative to walk you through a preparation session. Practice the questions they're likely to ask. Know what you're going to say in response to different types of questions, and more importantly, what you're not going to say. So before I go, if you found this video helpful and valuable, I want to make sure you have everything you need to protect yourself from the IRS. So that's why I'm giving away a free PDF copy of my book, The IRS Survival Guide, at theirssurvivalguide.com. So feel free to head there now, grab your copy, and arm yourself with every strategy in the book, not just the one I talked about in this video. So the link is theirssurvivalguide.com. It's completely free to you, no strings attached. Don't wait until the IRS comes knocking. Get prepared today. So if this video helped you, please subscribe and share it with another business owner you know who needs to hear this, and I'll see you in the next video.